Today, I'm showing you how to use split screen on your Android phone so you can run two apps at the same time. Let's get started. Step 1. Open First App. Open the first app you want to use in split screen mode. This could be any app, YouTube, Chrome browser, Messages, Notes, or whatever you need. Step 2. Access Recent Apps. Once the app is open, go back to your home screen by tapping the Home button or swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the Recent Apps overview. This shows all your currently running apps. Step 3. Find your app card. You'll see cards or thumbnails representing each open app. Find the app you just opened. Step 4. Tap app name or icon. At the top of each app card, you'll see the app's name or icon. Tap on it to open a menu with additional options. Step 5. Select Split Screen. From the pop-up menu that appears, look for Split Screen, Open in Split Screen View, or Multi-Window. Tap on it. The screen will split in half and your first app moves to the top portion of the screen. Step 6. Choose Second App. The bottom half of your screen now shows your recent apps. Scroll through the list and tap on the second app you want to open. This app will fill the bottom half of your screen. Step 7. Adjust window sizes. You'll see a divider bar in the middle of the screen between the two apps. Drag this slider up or down to adjust how much space each app gets. You can make one app larger and the other smaller based on your needs. Step 8. Use both apps simultaneously. You can now interact with both apps at the same time. For example, watch YouTube on top while texting below, or browse the web on top while taking notes below. You can scroll, type, and tap in either app independently. Step 9. Exit split screen mode. To exit split screen, drag the divider slider all the way to the top or bottom edge of the screen. This closes one app and makes the other app full screen. Alternatively, press the Home button to exit split screen and return to your home screen. And that's it. You can now use split screen on your Android phone to boost your productivity by running two apps simultaneously.